Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What are you doing today?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Not bad, thanks.
So, what can I do for you?
I want to ask you some questions about the most well-known social network, Facebook. Do you mind?
No, not at all.
By the way, do you know Facebook?
Sir, everyone knows about it.
Do you have an account for it?
Yes, of course. How about you?
Yes, I have one too. When did you start to join it?
Several years ago, I don't remember when.
Why did you decide to join it?
I don't know actually, but I like getting in touch with other people around the world.
How many friends do you have?
Well, I don't know, but not more than 100, I think.
Do you post a new status every day?
No, not every day, only when I have the time. However, I always enjoy posting a new status.
Do you think Facebook is necessary?
Well, I think so.
Why?
As I talked to you before, we could get in touch with other people around the world.
What do you think other media other than Facebook?
There are several kinds like Twitter, Yahoo Messenger, Google Talk, and Skype.
Which one do you join?
I joined Facebook, Yahoo Messenger, Google Talk, and Twitter.
Which do you think is better, Facebook or Twitter?
They are just the same. However, I like Facebook better.
What's the benefit of joining Facebook?
I can share ideas and make friends with other people around the world.
What are the things of joining Facebook?
Many people do not like this network. It wastes of time sometimes.
Do your friends agree with you when you join Facebook?
Yes, I think so.
Why?
They join Facebook too.
Do you like to comment on friends' status?
Sometimes I like commenting my friend's status.
Do you always confirm other people's edition?
No, I only confirm the ones I know.
Can you practice your English in Facebook?
Of course, I often make status in English.
What kind of status do you often post?
Whatever. I will post this interview after this.
Sure, you can do it. Thanks for your time. See you then.
Okay, bye.